My little girl. Tell us all about it, Audrey May. Her foot's around the cord. Oh, you can do that. That's okay. That's okay. What's Mommy doing? What's Mommy doing? You gonna tell us more, Gurgly girl? You don't like to be on camera, do you? Can you smile?
Giggles.
Give your fans a smile. Say hi to Nanny. Hi, Lulu. I love you. Oh, Mommy? Is Mommy? No. I know. Yeah. And look, if I take off my hat, we have the same head. See, I'm bald. And you're bald.
Tell him, say I'm not bald, it's just thin.
Yes, beautiful. We look alike. Yeah. My gorgeous little girl.
What you doing? Are you hanging out?
Oh, you May. Are you gonna come to Daddy? You wanna come to Daddy? Come here, baby. I'm right here.
Man, she's got that whole leg thing.
She's getting ready for it. I'm right here, baby. Yeah.
I mean, it's scary to see her lifting her legs
Here, baby.
when she's doing the tummy time.
Come to Daddy. Come to Daddy.
She's trying so hard.
Yeah, it's my big girl. It's okay. It's okay, darling. You can try again tomorrow. And one of these days you're gonna get it, and we're never gonna stop you from rolling around. Yeah. Tell me about it. I love you. You hold my hand. I never let go. Ever. Right here. You can do it. You can do it, darling. Yeah. You're trying so hard, I know.